how much this one?
This is the gasoline.
Uh-huh.
So this unit is the Innova Zenix 2.0V CVT in white per color. So its unit price is 1,685,000.
Okay, thank you. Only gas, gasoline.
Yes.
Diesel don't have this
No
one.
diesel for this. Only gasoline. Also the hybrid, also gasoline.
Oh, hybrid, this is hybrid.
No, this is the V1. The V1, sir. This is not the hybrid.
I don't have model with power seats. Don't have model with power seats.
No. Those
Only this model.
this
Mechanical.
is not, yeah, mechanical.
Automatic or not all?
Yeah, this is automatic.
No, I mean window,
No,
not automatical.
this also mechanical. That
Mechanical.
down.
Okay, thank you.
So it has a back camera, back sensor, also a power door. The spare tire. You may highlight this one. You may highlight.
This is V model.
Yeah.
Which model have V also and
Q. The Q1 is the top of the line, which is the hybrid.
hybrid is Q.
Yeah. So this one is the regular one.
Which model? Fortuner. Legender.
Tapos suspension natin lahat.
360.
But this one is also a power back door.
I have same model.
The unit, sir. And
7 seats.
and open it. Maybe it's
No power.
yeah.
No button.
is so
Leather seats.
comfort. Right. You may sit, sir. Already
Leather
leather,
seats.
yes. While the second row, we have the second row, sir. Also a leather. It has also a wide leg, sir, since the front is adjustable.
Power seat only driver. Only driver.
That's the
Manufacturer in Malaysia.
yes. So this one is the Advanced GR. We don't have diesel for Advanced. They are all gasoline.
Only gasoline.
Yes. So this is the top of the line.
This is top of the line.
Yes.
One only automatic seat.
The
Window.
doors are automatic. It also has option here whenever you want to adjust. This is
Don't have
not-
power door.
Yes.
Mechanical.
Mechanical. Careful. There's there.
This is seats can put in the
Yes.
down.
Also the second roster
Mhm.
and the front.
Yeah, it's good.
It has a bed.
Straight floor.
Yes, it
It's
has
good.
a bed seat. Like you can sleep there with a comfortable.
But I think in the Philippines people not sleep in the car because not safety or sleep. What do you think?
Some are.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Only if we parking is safety.
The color is outside brown.
360 camera.
Yes, of course it has. That's the 2020.
Already automatic window.
Yes, automatic side mirror. It also has a adjustment here.